Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A16. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, the app drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's enter settings, go to home screen and lock screen, enter home screen mode and select between standard and drawer mode. Now the app drawer is disabled, so all the apps will be on the home screen. Let's enable it again. This time select drawer mode, switch, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.